Number 6, solve the following system with the substitution method. Now guys, I've told you in class that I will let you use whatever method you want to solve these on the test. I'm not going to look and verify that you actually use the method the directions say. However, for these recordings, I'm going to follow these directions because guys, to be honest, well, I guess you could use elimination method here, but the substitution method isn't that hard. For substitution method, I want to solve it for a variable and then plug it in the other problem. So guys, I'm looking at the 4 variables, the 2x, negative y, 5x, and 7y. And I'm thinking, what is the easiest variable to get alone? Guys, it's going to be this negative y that's in the top or first equation. So that's where I'm going to start. Do you remember how we set up our 2 columns? We're going to start with whatever equation we're going to solve the variable for, put it on the left-hand side, and then put the other equation over on the right-hand side. And actually, I'm going to back this up and write it up a little higher to save myself room, so hopefully it will all fit. Now, if I want to solve it for this y, the first thing I've got to do is move the 2x. So I'm going to minus 2x from each side. That brings down negative y is equal to, can't combine those, so it's going to be negative 2x plus 3. Now to solve it for a positive y, guys, there's a negative 1 sitting right here. So I'm going to come in and divide both sides by negative 1. That gets me y is equal to, guys, isn't negative 2x divided by negative 1? Negative divided by negative is a positive 2. So that's going to give me 2x. And then 3 divided by negative 1 is going to get me a negative 3. Now, right there, I've solved for that variable. I know that y is equal to 2x minus 3. Well, guys, that was for the y. So I'm going to bring that information way up here and plug it in for the y. So now I have 5x plus 7, and I'm going to start parentheses and bring everything that y is equal to. It's equal to 2x minus 3, so I'm going to plug that all in right there. Then I'm going to continue with my equation up above, equals 17. Once you substitute that in, now you just want to simplify here. Guys, first step to simplifying is going to be to distribute the 7. 7 times 2x gets me a 14x, and then 7 times negative 3 gets me a negative 21. Be really careful with those positives and negatives. Now, next step to simplifying is going to be to combine like terms. 5x plus 14x, that's going to get 19x. And guys, I can combine those because they're on the same side of that equal sign. So now, look at the side with the x. We need to get rid of this tag along, so we're going to get rid of minusing 21 by doing the opposite. We're going to add 21 to both sides. That gets me 19x is equal to, well, 17 plus 21. That's 38. Now go back. We're still solving it for this x value. That's 19 times x, so we're going to come in and divide each side by 19. Well, when I do that, I'm going to get x is equal to 38 divided by 19 is 2. Yep. So now that I've gotten to the bottom of that column, I can't do anything else. This is where I bring that x is equal to 2 back over to my first column. Well, guys, if x is equal to 2, I'm going to come in here where this x is, and I'm going to plug a 2 in. So y is equal to 2 times 2 minus 3. Well, you can type it all in at one time, or you can simplify it piece by piece. 2 times 2 is 4, and then I'm going to bring down minus 3, and guys, 4 minus 3 is 1. Don't forget, I've been harping on this the entire chapter. Our answers are going to be ordered pairs. Isn't an ordered pair written x comma y? So we're going to be bringing the 2 in, and then the 1. So my final answer is the ordered pair 2 comma 1.